Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 3 continuation of exercise 3.7. Now problem number 1 subdivision number 4. If a plus b plus c that is equal to 180 degrees, then prove that sin squared a plus sin squared b minus sin squared c that is equal to 2 sin a sin b into cos c. Here a plus b plus c equals 180 degrees given. So if we retain a plus b in the left hand side, plus c comes right hand side minus c. So 180 minus c. If we retain c alone in the left hand side, 180 degree minus this a plus b comes right hand side minus of a plus b. Consider the LHS. Right, first you have to eliminate the powers. Right, sin squared a plus sin squared b. Sin squared a can be replaced by the formula 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Like that, sin squared b that is equal to 1 minus cos 2b divided by 2 and minus sin squared c right as it is. You have to apply the identities only for the first and the second, and the third one, the last one, to be retained as it is. No change at all. That is equal to, it can be separated as 1 by 2 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 by 2 minus cos 2a by 2. Cos 2a by 2 can be written as half cos 2a plus here 1 by 2 minus cos 2b by 2 that is equal to half cos 2b minus sin square c. That is equal to here half, here also half plus half that is equal to 1 minus of take minus of as common into cos 2a plus cos 2b. Because we have taken minus common, so minus into plus is minus. Minus sin squared c as it is. That is equal to 1 minus half into, in between we have plus symbol. Now we can apply the formula cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d that is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. That is 2 cos c plus d, c 2a, d 2b, take 2 as common, 2 into a plus b by 2. Cos of a minus b, 2a minus 2b, take 2 as common, 2 into a minus b by 2. Close the bracket, minus sin square c as it is. 2 get cancelled, 2 cancelled, 2 cancelled. That is equal to 1 minus 1 into anything, same thing, right? Cos of this a plus b can be replaced by 180 degree minus c. 180 degree minus c, that is a plus b. So here 180 degree minus c, and rest of them as it is, cos of a minus b minus sin square c. That is equal to 1 minus, now we can go for ASTC concept. For 180 degree, for 180 degree cos becomes cos, angle is C. 180 here it is minus, lies in which quadrant? 180 minus lies in second quadrant, sin and cosecant only positive. What is here? Cos, therefore it is negative. Already we have 1 minus. And cos of a minus b minus, here we have cos c, you can write sin squared c as 1 minus cos squared c. That is the identity, because sin squared theta that is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. That is equal to 1 minus into minus plus cos c, cos of a minus b, minus into 1 minus 1, minus into minus plus cos squared c. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, that is equal to here cos c, here cos squared c, you can take cos c as common. If you take cos c as common, here you will be getting cos of a minus b, plus you have taken one cos c as common, so one more cos c will be there in plus cos c. That is equal to cos c into cos of a minus b plus cos of 180 degree minus of a plus b. because C can be replaced by, here it is C, that is equal to 180 degree minus of A plus B. Here you can apply that ASTC concept, that is equal to cos C into cos of A minus B. For 180 degree cos becomes cos angle A plus B. Now 180 minus lies in which quadrant? That is second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine and cosecant only positive. Here we have cos, therefore it is negative. That is identity cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B, that is 2 sin A sin B. Cos C into 2 sin A sin B. That is equal to cos C into 2 sin A sin B. That is equal to, write 2 first, then write the angles in order. First sin A sin B into cos C. Sin A sin B into cos C, that is equal to RHS. Look at that RHS, 2 sin A sin B into cos C. Over. So question number 1 subdivision 4 completed. I will be teaching the next subdivision in the next video. Thank you, children.